Guys, welcome back to Miss Kendrick's YouTube class. Today we're going to learn about some subtraction. Last week our lesson was on addition. This week we get to learn about subtracting. Now we have Linus the Minus. Linus the Minus is a naughty young lad. He's always taking away. He is so bad. Some of the words we want to remember with him are to separate. He's subtracting. We want to find the difference. We use the minus sign. We take away, and when we take away, we always get less. So our subtraction problem is 9 minus 6, or you could say 9 take away 6, or 9 subtract 6. But if you look here, we have Linus the Minus, and so we're going to circle him red. Just to remind us that this guy, he likes to take away. He is always separating from his group. The first math tool we're going to look at today are counters using a 10 frame. So these are what counters look like. Okay, there's different types, so we're going to use these for today. So to start off with, our problem says 9 minus 6. Notice 9 is the bigger number. When we're subtracting, you always want to put the bigger number first because you can't take away from the smaller number. So we're going to count out 9 and put 9 in our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we've got our 9. Now next we need to take away how many? Yes, 6. So count with me as I take away 6 of the counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're gone now. So how many counters do we have left on our 10 frame? Yeah, 3. So the answer to our math sentence, which is a take away, it's a subtraction problem, is 3. Awesome. The next math tool that we're going to look at to subtract 9 minus 6 is called a number line. And if you look at it, it always starts with the number 0 and it goes up. Ours is going to stop at 10. So what I like to do when using a number line is I always circle the numbers that we're looking at. So we have 9 and we have 6. That way I know where to start and where to stop. So we need to figure out how many hops it's going to take from 9 to 6. So as I hop, I want you to count with me, okay guys? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Did we still get the same answer from when we used our counters? Yes. So yes, no matter which way you use your tools, I promise you, I'm telling you, you're going to always get the same answer. Same thing from when we were using our addition tools. Next, we're going to take a look at using connecting cubes. First, you need to count out how many you are supposed to start off with, which is 9. Now let's recount and make sure Miss Kendrick has 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9. Now notice I have mine connected. You don't have to connect them. You can just spread them out like we did the counters, or you can connect them. I think you should connect them because to me it's fun. We get to break things when we subtract with our connecting cubes. So we have 9 and we're going to take away how many? 6. All right, so let's count off 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we get to break it apart. So my group of 6, I'm going to hide them behind my back. And now I'm left with, boom, 3. 9 minus 6 equals 3. Again, 9 minus 6 equals 3. All right, does this guy look familiar? The Reckon Rec. So yes, you can use the Reckon Rec for both addition and subtraction. So I want to know if you remember how many of the beads are on this side at the top. 10, yes, because we've got 5 red, 5 white, and we know that 5 plus 5, it gives us 10. But, okay, enough of addition. We're subtracting. Sorry. So, we've got 9 minus 6. So, we want to count off 9. And remember, last video, I always use one pull. So, I count off how many I need, and I slide it over with one pull. So, let's count off 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to drag it all the way over. Now, I need to figure out how many I need to take away, which is 6. So then I'm going to take 6 and drag them back over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring it back. How many do I have left on this side? Yes, I still get the same answer. Now, I want to show you guys something really quickly. Now, we started off with 9, correct? And again, if you're smart enough, you probably would have figured this out anyways, but I'm going to tell you anyways. So 9, we know that there's 10 here. Instead of counting each one, you could have either said, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then one pull. Or if you know that 10 is just one more than 9, you know that all you have to do is just take the last one from the last one and you pull it all the way down. Last thing I'm going to show you is how to draw your math picture. Now, last video when we did addition, we talked about math pictures. We use shapes just for quick, because math is quick. It's not art. We just want to use something that's visual, something that we can see to help us to solve our problem. So I need to start off with how many in my picture? 9. So this time I'm going to use triangles just to switch it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I need to look at the next part of my problem, and it tells me to take away 6. So then we can't take them off of our paper, right? So instead of that, since it's a picture, what we do is we cross them out. How many are we going to cross out? 6, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to recount my X's just to double check and make sure that I crossed out the exact amount, which I need 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6. Now I have 1, 2, 3 left over. That means 9 minus 6 equals 3. So we used all different types of math tools, and we even drew a math picture to see if we always get 3 when we use our math tools and math strategies. So I want you guys to keep practicing subtracting at home. Practice using math tools around at your house, or you can use math pictures. And let me know how it goes for you guys. Enjoy! And that's a wrap for today. Stay tuned until next time for some subtraction games.